Did you know the USA is facing one of its biggest healthcare worker shortages in history? Because of this, your skills are in higher demand than ever. Navigating the US system can be complex. This is your guide: licensing, credential evaluation, and immigration steps for international healthcare professionals. Step 1. Research state licensing requirements. Each US state has unique rules for healthcare professionals. Always check the specific board website. Credential evaluation is next. Agencies like CGFNS verify your education and experience to match US standards for your profession. For nurses, passing the NCLEX RN exam is essential. This test confirms your readiness to provide safe, effective care in the US. Pharmacists must pass the FPGEE and meet state-specific requirements before applying for US licensure. Most foreign-trained professionals need to pass language tests like TOEFL to prove English proficiency for US work. Lab technologists often need ASCP certification. This proves you meet US clinical lab standards. Apply online, submit credentials, and schedule your exam. Physical therapists require FCCPT credential evaluation and must pass the NPTE before seeking state licensure. Caregivers may qualify for US work through agencies offering job sponsorship. Employment contracts are essential for your visa application. Know your visa options: H-1B for specialized roles, EB-3 and EB-2 for degree holders, Tennessee for Canadians and Mexicans. Choose the right path. Consulting an immigration lawyer can help you avoid mistakes. They ensure your paperwork is complete and submitted on time. Once approved, you'll receive your visa and start planning your move. Celebrate this achievement. It's a big step toward your US career. Upon arrival in the US, complete customs and immigration. Be prepared to present your documents and answer routine questions. Your skills are in demand. The journey starts now. Take the first step and begin your US healthcare career today.